Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel after our little break for Christmas and the New Year. Hope you all had a wonderful time in the festive period. To start off, we are coming back with you with a bit of an unboxing of the Sony ZV E10. I know it's a little bit away from what we normally do, but I got it. I had an upgrade and I wanted to use it as my streaming camera, as well as for YouTube as well. So hopefully this will improve the quality of the videos and you see my ugly mug a bit better. Anyway, so the Sony ZV E10 is a mirrorless camera with, and I got it with the, it comes with a hot shoe mic and the 16 to 50mm lens. So let's get into the unboxing. So here we go, ladies and gents, the unboxing. Just a quick look at the box initially, and there we are. I'll give you a little wave as we open the box. It's got an outer cover on it. There you go, the Sony ZV E10. It is a good looking camera. It's got a nice weight to it as well. Got a little knife ready to tear into this box. We'll do it nice and gently here. Nice and gently. Put that to one side. Make sure we put the blade away, obviously. And I do struggle with boxes. I do genuinely just struggle with boxes. See, I need to get something to pull it open. I don't even know what that was, but there we go. We get there. We get there. I'm just checking the camera was still focused because I'm using my old Sony 650D. Some paperwork. Who looks at the paperwork? Let's be honest. Who looks at the paperwork? But I seem to on this. Again, I don't know why we're looking at. There's some quick start guides and different bits and pieces. A bit more of the manual, if it will focus. So the Canon is a bit of an older camera, and it doesn't seem to focus very well at times. Believe that. Oh, there you go. That's the hot shoe. I'm trying to talk to you, but I've muted it because we thought we'd do a voice over the power cable that comes in the box, and that's another part of the power cable. That's actually the non-UK one. The other USB cable that comes in the box as well, and the in between the power pack as well. This is obviously needed if you're going to charge it via the USB cable, which is included. So that one's a USB to Type C. It's just not the longest cable, so if you are using it for USB streaming from your PC, it's not the longest in there. See, look at me thinking I thought that the other bit was the battery, but this is actually, if I remember rightly, this is the battery for the camera, and it's a decent sized battery. I think it's the standard one a lot of mirrorless Sony ones seem to use, so from what I've read and heard. And then we come to the main event. The camera, we're just checking there's nothing else in there. No, we are clear and empty, so we've come to the main event with the camera all nice wrapped up. So we'll just get rid of all the paperwork and the bump that we do not need. Move it to one side. And here we go, the camera with the kit lens on, the 16 to 50mm kit lens. It's got a nice, like I say, a nice weight to it, which is what I like. It gives you a nice feeling to camera. There's the battery hatch, and that's where you keep the SD card, and obviously it is an interchangeable lens system, so you can upgrade the lenses and get better lenses or ones that suit your need, and then we just come across and line up all the stuff that we get inside the box in a minute. Look at me, wonderful. And don't mind the slightly balding head. This was actually also recorded a little while ago, so there is slightly shorter hair on the head than when at the start of the video, but we carry on because I've wanted to use the camera for a little bit and get used to it, and use it for me streaming as well, because this is ultimately what I bought it for, is for the stream and for the YouTube videos. And there we go. You see, and we're showing off all the bits that we get with it. I did just put the the non-UK plug to one side. But you get quite a bit in the box. That mic, as you heard at the start, is actually pretty good for an onboard hot shoe mic, so I don't think you can complain. There's the front of the camera with the lens cap on, the 16 to 50mm lens. It does do the zoom on it. The zoom's quite good. The autofocus on the camera is pretty good as well, especially when you're doing product stuff. And there's all the tops of the hot shoe there for the added attachments. There's the back of the camera. I didn't actually show you this, but it does have a side flip out screen and an articulating screen as well. So there we have it, ladies and gents, the Sony ZV E10 unboxing, and I've got it up the wrong way round. There we go, the Sony ZV E10 unboxing. I'm okay, I'm a professional, sort of, getting better. Alright, you don't expect the best quality from me, do you? Surely by now. Anyway, we'll so yeah, we will do a bit more of a deep dive into some of the settings on the camera, how to set it up for OBS, things like that. So hopefully this is helpful, gives you a bit of an idea what you do get inside the box and with the camera. And you've seen a little bit of the quality early on in the start of the video, because at the moment this is the C920, and otherwise I can't show you this, can I? Anyway, catch you all in the next one. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and peace out.